How to reduce lag and improve FPS in Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If your game is lagging while playing Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown game, then here are some things you can try out to smoothen out your performance and enjoy the game. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and close all the background running apps before starting the game. Too many apps running can slow down your device and reduce FPS. Now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown game, and if you're inside the game, go and tap on the pause menu at the top left. And once you're inside this page over here, click on System from the top and click Options. Now, go to the top and click on Display. Now here you'll see the FPS limit button from the top. If it is set to higher or unlimited value, try lowering it to a stable option. Set it to 30 depending upon your device. A stable FPS often feels smoother than unstable high FPS. Now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this Controls tab from the top, and inside Controls go to Vibration Level and just decrease it or keep it to 0. Now go to Gameplay from the top and tap on this Disable Screen Shake option and uncheck that and get back. If the game feels still laggy, then you can also force close the app first, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and close the app card and relaunch open the Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown game again. So after a quick restart, this will clear out temporary memory and often improve performance. Now you can jump back into the game and enjoy smoother gameplay. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.